Welcome back, Spain, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Tuesday, July the 5th, 2021, and it's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. But today we're going to begin with the vaccine rollout report for your country of Spain. But before we get started, I have that one favor to ask, as always. Click on the share button, share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. You can also click on the share button and then click on the link, copy and paste the link into an email and text message, and share it with your friends and family that way, okay? Okay, let's get started with the vaccine rollout program then. Okay, so what you can see here, currently Spain has administered 427 million doses. Of that, on seven, of that, 259 million plus. No, I'm sorry, 25.9 million have received one dose, and as of 7/1, 18.4 million have received the full dosage. If you look over here, you can see that 54.1% of people have received a single dose, while 38.4 million have been fully vaccinated. Now, one source I read said this number has to be 50% of the total population or above. Okay, so that concludes the report, or that concludes the vaccine report. Now let's move on over here to our daily analysis. And as always, I'll remind you that that Spain does not record COVID-19 data on Saturday and Sunday, but instead adds Saturday and Sunday numbers on to Monday, okay? So you can see here, currently Spain has had 3.8 million cases, 81,000 deaths roughly. The declining mortality rate simply means that the ratio of cases to death is increasing, okay? But here's the good news we're looking for. Well, maybe not quite as good as we had hoped, because you can see we are beginning to see an upward trend again. Hopefully this the one or what's 614.71. So this is like a 14-day period here. So for the previous 10 to 14 days, we've seen an increase in daily cases. For the 7-day period ending June 29th, you were averaging 8,590 cases per day. This number here on June 2nd was 12,563. Now take a look at deaths. Now here's the good news. The deaths are continuing to decline, not quite as steep as levels we might like, but you can see on July the 2nd, you had 28 deaths. For the 7-day period ending June the 29th, you were averaging 23.2 deaths per day, which is down considerably from back up here. Okay. Weekly cases, you can see this long declining pattern here. A speed bump right there, followed by another declining pattern. And last week we saw an increase in weekly cases. Deaths are showing a continued declining pattern here. Monthly cases, okay? Lowest number of monthly cases since all the way back over here in August, or since July of last year. Deaths, the lowest number of deaths since July of last year, or lowest number of deaths since August of last year, okay? So that concludes the report for Spain for today. Before I let you go, that favor again is don't forget to click on that share button. Share the video with on your Facebook and Twitter accounts today. What's that you say? You don't do Facebook and Twitter? That's okay. I got you covered. Click on the share button. Click on the link. Copy and paste the link for this video into your emails and your text messages today. Okay. Then share the good news of declining COVID-19 deaths with your friends and family today. Thanks so much, Spain. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.